Gonna whip out some old terminology here. Old school. Here we come to the elevators at the Iowa River Landing parking deck west, I think. Let's see if I got that right. Schindler.
Scenic. Got some pepper stuff.
Mm-hmm. Three. Vandal resistant loud ass chimes.
Is that another one over there?
Where? I think there were some over there, yeah. I'm gonna try to get the other one.
Beautiful scenery.
Oh, bump. I can see through the door a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get the other one. Shit, it just ran away. I was thinking there was another one, but I guess I'm not sure. Probably not. Well, I see... Actually, I do see a sign there. Good morning. Oh, hey, how about I actually look at your install dates? Why don't we try that? You're quiet. Oh, where are you? 2012? Well, ain't you nice and fancy? She's louder. You know what? Let's go back all the way down. Pretty basic cab, usual shit for a parking deck, transit system, elevator, whatever the fuck you want to call it. (2012) 330a VR. They're a little bumpy on the ground floor, but that's okay. No logo on the floor. Nope. Sorry. That's it.